Today we're going to talk about an amazing feature that the AI BI Genie team has released recently. Whether you're using CSV or Excel files, this feature will allow you to explore your data in a quick and efficient way. You just need to go and drag and drop this file in the Genie, and then you can start asking questions. Trust me, I would have loved to have this feature 7 years ago when I was doing my internship at a bank. Let me show you how you can get started with it. First, you need to enable this feature, click on previews, and then look for Genie upload files and make sure it's on. And then go to Genie, create your first data room. Let's call it sales data. Select a SQL Warehouse. You need to select any table, can be a good fit, sales, and then enable user uploading files. Let's call it Yusuf SAR. And I'll be selecting default, save, and then what I need to do is just drag and drop my CSV file. As you can see, the file is being uploaded right now, and then I will try to understand the relevant context. Once the context has been retrieved, you can start asking the questions, and this is first of all how the data looks like. You can see product category, product name, unit sold, unit price, revenue, region, and the payment method. So kind of ask first question, let's say, what's total revenue? I can also ask other questions like what are my top sales, top product sales in every region? You can see I have the first one, total revenues, 80K. I can say top product in category. And you can see it's very intuitive. Here we go. You can see beauty products, books, clothing, electronics, home appliance, sports. I can see top sales in every region. And again, it shows also the graphs, which can be very useful to understand the data. Of course, over here, I'm just using a small sample, but you can also use a large sample if you want. And here you can see in Asia, it's Peloton Bike. In Europe, it's LG OLED. In North America, Canon EOS R5. And that was a quick demo of how you can start using Genie data files.